You know how sometimes your home feels off? Trouble sleeping or allergies kicking in? I'm Christopher, your pendulum guide with over 20 years experience. And this is episode 2, Life Hacks and Secrets, Pendulum Dowsing Guide for Environmental Harmony and Peace. Years ago, it was just hay fever or the recognized sensitivity of women to weather. But now, modern life has added some tech stress to the hidden earth energies. In episode 1, we found emotional harmony. If you missed it, it's a must-see. Today, we're dowsing to figure out what's affecting your well-being so as to achieve a little more peace. Curious? A dowsing pro or skeptical? If you're wondering how a pendulum even gets answers, our Series 1 intro, Life Hacks and Secrets, your Pendulum Dowsing Guide, has scientists breaking it down with quantum mechanics. Check it out after. This series is for everyone, so let's dive in. Do you ever feel as if your space is throwing you off balance? There's all kinds of stuff around us we don't always see. Underground formations, frequencies of all sorts, even the moon tugging at us. The ancient Chinese saw us woven into nature's flow. But wow, things have become really wild today. About 55% of us deal unknowingly with geopathic stress, earth energies that can zap your sleep or focus. If you're wondering how a simple tool like a pendulum can sort this out, stick with it. It's easier than it sounds. Picture this: underground currents, tech overload, pollution. It all adds up, making it harder to feel at ease. A pendulum helps you pinpoint what's affecting your well-being. Earth energies, like underground water under your home, are often the big ones. Figure those out, and things like air quality or cosmic vibes start making sense, bringing you closer to harmony. Episode 1 got our hearts balanced. Now we're checking what's outside for peace. Just starting? Give it a try and see what pops up. Let's get to it. Here's my pendulum and a chart packed with what might be around us. Earth energies like geological faults, man-made stuff like electromagnetic fields, cosmic forces like the moon, air issues like pollen, plus a 0 to 100% scale to measure the impact. Watch me douse to see what's affecting my well-being. You can pause and try it too. And here's how it works. Is something in my environment affecting my well-being? Yes. What's the source? Earth energies. Okay. Which one? The crossing of water. Underground water like a stream? Yes. How much is it impacting me? Over 60%. That's a lot. Is this the main factor? Yes. Should I keep checking other factors? Would it be a good idea to check? Yes. So that's it. In ancient Chinese wisdom, underground water, like a stream under your bed, was often trouble, stirring up restless nights or low energy. It's like episode 1's emotional check, but now we're uncovering what's disrupting my space's harmony. Grab your pendulum and douse for your own peace. Want to find what's affecting your well-being? I've got a free pendulum chart for this episode. Earth energies, tech, cosmic, all in one. Download it from the link in the description, print it, and start dowsing. Share what you uncover in the comments. I'm all ears. If you haven't seen episode 1 on emotional harmony, it's a great place to start. So please go check it out. Like, subscribe, and join me for episode 3. Let's keep chasing that peace. Pinch.